all I do is a little pot, and we hide grape juice or something like that. Imagine if that's the best option we have for food. We complain when we get the same thing for breakfast 3 days later. And if you can't get healthy food, it costs so much more at those little corner stores than it does at, and even at Martin's or certainly at our Kroger or Food Lion, certainly Walmart. It's hard to believe that the people with the least means pay the most for the stuff that they get. People living in low poverty pay more for food than you for the same food that you do. And this ministry I'm really excited about because it's the next step after church food pantries. Because the food pantries still require people to get to us. These mobile grocery stores can go to a community and set up shop and sell things for pennies on the dollar or some other kind of system that will be created, whatever, or maybe just distributing food. We can have a better time to show you guys. You can see what the money goes to. I wish you could see that now because it's done and it's been dedicated. And there are children here, and the food that the money that we collect to change matters is going to feed them. And all of this is thanks to the work that Virginia Baptist youth have been doing throughout the year. Change matters is completely supported by the different events that we offer for youth. And starting tomorrow, we're going to have bottles up here, some cans that you can place money in. We've had tomorrow you guys get to go out and have a good time and spend the money that you brought with you, and you're going to get some change probably. We ask you just take that, and instead of carrying it around and losing it or putting it in your shoe, especially before you put it in your shoe, you give it to us. And let the money that we collect do something amazing for people. In years past, it's helped dig a well in Africa, and we had a team from Virginia go and help dig that well. A team of youth that helped in the collecting, and we got to